Hello.
Hello.
So you're starting school today?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's cool. Have fun.
You have a seat within the next minute, and we'll get the day underway. Is that okay? And just a couple of things.
What's this? New toys?
Yeah.
BoxTrolls. Wow.
It's fun.
It's nice.
Yeah. And let's Scooby-Doo.
There is a clock or something.
And
Next one will be Scooby-Doo.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Sammie. Did you like school?
Yeah.
We came to McDonald's because it's the first day of school. Let's see.
The toy.
You have there any toy? What is this? That's what we got.
But how is she used?
Don't know. We have a book,
You know
pencil.
to use it. This is the figure.
Yeah,
What is
we
that?
cannot do anything actually.
But you
Okay.
can move.
I got something like this.
You can move hands. But you can
See,
move
bacon, chicken, onion. What?
You can move.
Yeah, you can move. Yeah. And who is sitting here?
Hello.
Mommy. We're not buying anything today actually,
Yeah.
but we're just checking stuff, yeah? Because McDonald's is actually next to this shop. That's nice set, Sammie.
Yeah, the apple.
Very expensive, of course,
Yeah, and
but it's cool.
And they
Big.
have Unikitty,
Yes.
Highlight, Low Boat, and
That's
Low
Emmett?
Boat, Benny, and Lucy.
Yes, you know all the names, Sammie. What we got here? Yeah, you have this actually. Come on. Yeah. Cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our Lego section.
But I want to have glasses on.
This set?
Yeah.
Which one?
This.
It's big. It's too big for you, Sammie.
But I like to have this.
Okay, maybe one day.
She will speak on it.
Yeah, that big one as well, yeah.
But I want to have with twins, Pac-Man.
But we're not going to buy this, Sammie, just because you need one minifigure, you know? This new series Galaxy Squad. I never seen this before. Have you seen this, Sammie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Actually, I like a lot Disney Pixar Cars too. Sets. Here is one and another one. We need to buy those ones, Sammie. One of those one day.
No,
You know?
no.
No? Pokaż się tu. You don't want it?